Okay, this is my Navara. I'll just show you a quick rundown of it. Got it all wrapped in a rusted vinyl for my business, which is what I do. So we'll go to the back first. Oops, sorry about the wobbliness. Open it up. As you can see, got the false floor. It's real nice. Got the racks on top. Does the job for all the ladders. All the tools go underneath. Look at that, nice long drawers. Works a treat. All other storage areas. Does a trick. So now we go got Darth Vader mounted at the top. A bit of good luck. Got the Force with me, the dark side at least. A little custom front grille. Cool. So now we'll go inside and have a look what I've done. Found an iPad in the dash and 46 subwoofers, mate. Opening up. Suicide doors. Lots of space. Go in. We got dual Pioneer subwoofers in the back. Ripped out little dicky seats. Mounted amplifiers, not that you can really see. Amplifiers under the seat. Both sides, but I need to show you the other amplifier. But this is what's cool. Customised all my dash. So I've got like a spring-loaded bracket here. And basically I've put a little USB thing in here for charging too. Nothing special, but so what I can do is I get my iPad. And as you can see, it just snaps in. Snaps in, bang, it's locked into place. So if I had my car keys, which are in the canopy, so we turn the key and look what happens. All lights up. We've got the iPad in here, got all the apps, get rid of that music. So with the subwoofers it goes well. Then we go to YouTube, good old YouTube working, all TV channels. Just got it rocking. So yeah, that's it. Hope you dig my ride. Oh, and also snaps back out with that quick release, all Bluetooth if anyone wants to use it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.